probably heard it. Crypto is risky. It's too late. The big money's already gone.
And yet, every time we hear that, someone new quietly makes a fortune.
Exactly. Because the truth isn't that it's too late. It's that most people never learned how to start the right way.
So today's episode, we're breaking it down. No hype, no jargon. Just the real beginner's roadmap to making money with crypto without getting wrecked.
Let's do it. If you think crypto's just gambling, you're missing the biggest financial revolution since the internet.
Wait, the biggest? That's a bold start.
It is. Because what most beginners see as chaos is actually a pattern. One that repeats every few years and rewards the people who pay attention.
Okay, you've got my curiosity. So where does a total beginner even start without losing their mind or their money?
Right here. Step 1. Forget the idea of getting rich overnight.
So, no more dreams of waking up a crypto millionaire?
Not unless you also dream of losing it all the next day. The real money in crypto isn't in guessing, it's in positioning.
Positioning? Like putting yourself where the opportunity will be before it happens?
Exactly. Think of it like surfing. You don't chase the wave, you wait in the right spot and paddle at the right time.
So what's the right spot in crypto?
Education, understanding the cycles, knowing what Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins actually do, not just their prices.
Okay, let's unpack that. What's the simplest way a beginner can make money?
3 ways: long-term holding, short-term trading, and earning passive income through things like staking or yield.
Long-term holding sounds like my kind of strategy. Buy and chill.
Right, that's the safest starting point. You buy assets with proven track records, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and you hold through the noise.
The hard part's not buying. It's not selling when it drops 30%.
Exactly. The crypto market is like a gym membership. The results only come if you stay through the pain.
So if someone starts with, say, $100 a month, is that even worth it?
Absolutely. Because the power isn't in how much you invest. It's in how early and consistent you are.
Like compounding, right?
Yep. The same $100 a month in Bitcoin since 2016 would have turned into over $100,000 by 2021.
Okay, but what about people who want faster results?
That's where trading comes in. But it's not for everyone.
Ah, the adrenaline crowd.
Exactly. Trading is like driving a race car. You can win big, but one wrong turn and it's over. Most beginners lose because they don't have a strategy. They trade emotions, not data.
So rule number 1, don't trade your feelings.
Perfectly said.
Okay, so far we've got forget getting rich overnight, learn before you leap, focus on positioning, not prediction.
And remember, consistency beats timing. Always. Now, here's where most beginners go wrong. They buy coins they don't understand.
Oh, the "my friend told me to buy this" syndrome?
Exactly. If you can't explain what a coin does in one sentence, you shouldn't own it.
I feel attacked.
Ha ha ha, fair. But here's a simple trick. Before buying, ask, does this project solve a real problem? Does it have users? Is it alive or just hype?
Like checking if a restaurant has customers before walking in.
Exactly. Fundamentals over FOMO.
Speaking of FOMO, what about social media coins? They trend like crazy.
That's the trap. The louder a coin screams online, the faster it often dies. Real investors look where it's quiet.
So be curious where everyone's ignoring?
Always. Because opportunity hides in silence.
You know what's crazy? Everyone wants 100 times returns, but no one wants to hold 100 days.
That's the irony. The biggest money in crypto was made by people who were patient when others panicked.
So the real alpha isn't in discovery, it's in discipline.
Exactly. Every bull run rewards patience, and every crash punishes emotion.
So what I'm hearing is, the beginner's goal shouldn't be get rich, it should be get educated and consistent.
Perfect summary. Once you understand the game, money follows naturally. Real talk. If we opened your crypto wallet right now, what would we find?
Haha, probably some random meme coin from 2021.
Don't worry, we've all been there. The key is to learn from every mistake.
Yeah, the tuition fee of the blockchain.
Exactly. And unlike college, this one can actually pay you back.
Okay, let's talk about earning while you wait. You mentioned staking earlier. How does that work for beginners?
Staking is like earning interest on your crypto. You lock your coins to help secure the network, and in return, you earn rewards.
So kind of like a savings account, but on the blockchain?
Exactly. Except instead of a bank paying you 0.5%, you might earn 5% to 10%.
That's way better.
It is, but there's risk. If the coin drops in value, your rewards might not cover the loss. That's why diversification matters.
So no all in on one coin.
Never. Crypto rewards the curious, not the reckless.
That needs to be on a t-shirt.
Another thing beginners overlook: security.
Oh, the boring stuff that actually matters.
Exactly. The number one rule: not your keys, not your coins. Always keep long-term holdings in a hardware wallet.
So those tiny USB-looking things?
Yep. They might look old school, but they protect millions.
All right, recap time again. Patience pays. Don't buy what you don't understand. Stake smart, diversify, and secure your assets.
And remember, profits mean nothing if you can't keep them safe.
You know, it's funny. Everyone's searching for the next big coin, but the real magic seems to be in learning the basics.
Absolutely. Crypto isn't about luck. It's about leverage through knowledge.
So patience really is the secret?
In crypto, patience pays more than panic. Every time.
I like that. It feels peaceful.
That's the mindset that wins long-term. Calm conviction, not hype.
So, for all the beginners out there, start small, learn daily, and stay patient.
Exactly. Crypto's not a sprint. It's a marathon that rewards the ones who show up every day.
All right, I'm off to not check my portfolio for a week.
Best investment strategy you'll make today.
This was fun and surprisingly calming for a crypto talk.
That's what we do here, turning chaos into clarity, one episode at a time.
You're listening to Cryptolytix. Catch you next time.